Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix there was a problem with this server Retry on your YouTube app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of error problem with your YouTube app, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your Play Store and search for the YouTube. If your YouTube app is not up to date, just click on update. After updating your YouTube app, then go back, open settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. In this you can see your app management. Just tap on the app management. Just tap on the app list. Here you need to search YouTube. Search for YouTube. Click on YouTube. Once click on force stop. Again click on force stop. You can see your storage usage. Just tap on the storage usage. Here you can see cache. Just click on clear cache. Then go back. This you can see your storage. You can see your clear data. Just click on clear data and click on OK. After that, then go back. You can see your SIM card and mobile data. Just tap on this. Guys, you need to select the SIM card for which mobile data is enabled. Just select the SIM card. Once you have to disable, and enable again. Guys, after doing these settings, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the problem with the server 400. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.